Bror Fredrik coming at you with another video. I'm over here. I just left the Park MGM and I gotta walk over to the MGM Grand where I actually park. So I figured I'd pop on the camera, just finish the live stream, and you could take a walk with me. We'll see the sights and sounds of Las Vegas on a Friday night. It's about 95 degrees. It's beautiful and it should be great walking weather, and it's the beginning of Memorial Day weekend. I'll be back after this. Welcome back. So we're gonna take a walk from Park MGM. Such a beautiful night tonight. Over to the MGM in glorious 4K. And here we go. So while we're walking over this bridge, I'm gonna invite you to like, share, subscribe, and especially hit the bell button to get notified when I drop more videos, which is almost every friggin' day. And you don't want to miss any of them. And I'm going to drop the 9% word at the end of the day. At the end of the day, you know I'm tired. At the end of this walk, the end of the video, and that'll let me know that you stuck around to the very end, and that helps the channel out tremendously. So let's go see what's what. I popped on the wide angle for you. Get all the views. All right, this is gonna be a little better, right? How about that? All right, let's go. There's not that many people out tonight. Kind of surprising. Oh, look at her go. That's awesome. Keeping the handrail clean. I never touch them anyway, but I still appreciate it. Keep the cooties down to a minimum.
Showgirl photos.
Showgirl photos. That's a hustle. The sky is just crystal clear tonight. It rained for about 30 seconds this afternoon. It was a miracle. Let's see what this guy's doing.
Inside the golf course. Snow Mountain. Somewhere in that area. I don't really know what to look for. Tell me when you're ready.
I don't know. Don't have time to find out. We got places to go.
I know you're ready.
you've ever seen the David Copperfield show, I haven't seen that in like 15 years. Entrance from the top. Yeah, let's do that. Buffalo. All right, let's do it. So rarely park here at the MGM, but I did the live from here tonight. The MGM parking lot's like in a different zip code than the actual property. It's a little bit of a pain. Oh, that's loud. What do you got going on down there? Alright, let's keep it moving. She's digging it. Oh, if the music wasn't so loud, I would pause right here and take in all the beauty. But we gotta keep it moving. Nice cold AC in here. It was hot and humid out. So we're at the MGM. Pakistan. Gotta love this architecture, right? It's gorgeous. Let's see. This looks like a good spot for me to turn around the camera. I want to thank everyone for joining me for that brief little walk from Park MGM over here to the MGM Grand. I had fun. I hope you did too. Right now I'm going to drop the 9% word of the day. Let's see. Let's see if I can get it right. 50-50. Up in this corner. Bam. Well, that one. Bam. We'll find out. And drop that in the comments, and it'll let me know and YouTube know that you stuck around to the very end, because according to their own stats, 9% of all viewers do indeed stick around to the very end, and I'd love for you to be one of them. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can do that with Patreon, get a channel membership, or click on any links in the description below, especially my channel partner, Olight. Best EDC carry gear and flashlights known to man. I just happen to have one with me tonight. I got my Olight Baton 3. This is an amazing thing. Look at that case. Flashlight inside, super freaking powerful. And this thing recharges this thing 4 times. Amazing. You charge it here, you don't charge it here. It lasts forever. Keep it in the pocket. Olight, link in the description. 10% off to use my coupon code. And right now I'm gonna say Love you guys, and Bror Fredrik out.
The mic and make sure it sound right, boys.